What's up everybody, it's the second day. I'm going to start the install. Start putting everything back together. I'm going to start out by installing this shelf here. Our mascot came back today. Oh, I'm going to take the old hardware clips off and use them for mounting the battery. That tray's all put in. I'm going to do the exact same thing on the driver's side. Installing the passenger side inner fender well now. Attaching the fender frame now. Back in its stock placement, no drilling or anything required. Directions say do not tighten yet, but I'm impatient. You need to have both the front and rear, both the front and rear bolts threaded first before tightening. Lining up the grill seems to be the most difficult part. But not terrible. Use the supplied hardware and install the bottom of the battery bracket. Installing the battery tray sensor now. I'm attaching the inner fender to the fender frame using the supplied hardware. Now I'm going to go repeat everything I did on the driver's side and come back when I'm ready to reinstall the factory components. Driver's side fender installed. Now it's time to start reinstalling factory components. Well, got everything put back on where it's supposed to be. These things look awesome. All I gotta do now is wire up my lights and reinstall the battery. I sprayed my K&N out, so it's drying in the sun over there. But everything else is put back together. These things are awesome. I'm glad I truck bed lined the inner fender wells and painted them. They look a whole lot better than that bare metal, I think, personally. So my new hood latches are coming this week, but this is my daily driver. So hopefully that'll stay.